Today we are working on the Sunny Days Ruffle border. We begin by skipping 2 spaces. Into the 3rd stitch we will place 7 double crochets. In the corners I like to do 9 double crochets instead of 7. I only do the 7 along the sides. Once we have completed 7 double crochets, you will skip 2 stitches. Into the 3rd stitch, place a slip stitch, and then follow that with 3 more slip stitches. These stitches will add space in between each of the shells. Next, we will start round 2 of the shell border. We're going to skip the first double crochet, and into the space we're going to make a double crochet. Then we're going to come back, and into this space that we skipped, we're going to crisscross another double crochet. Again, skip a stitch, and into the space, place another double crochet. Next, you will crisscross your double crochet by adding a double crochet into the stitch that we missed. Now again, skip a stitch, and into the next available space, place a double crochet. And then again, into the space that we skipped, crisscross your double crochets. Continue adding in this fashion until you have a total of 7 crisscrosses. Once you finish your final double crochet, look to the row below for the slip stitch. You will then make a slip stitch into the row below, and this will force the corner of the shell down into shape. You will then make a second slip stitch into the next stitch. Skip 3 stitches, and in between the double crochet number 1 and double crochet number 2, place a double crochet into the space. Then come back and place a second double crochet crisscross. Again, continue adding crisscrosses until you have a total of 7. We're now ready to add our final accent row to our shells. Begin with a single crochet followed by a chain 1. Into the next space, single crochet, chain 1. You'll continue this all the way around, single crochet in the top of each stitch followed by a chain 1. This will create a beautiful zigzag pattern and a nice finished edge. When you reach the space in between where the 2 shells come together, I like to just put a slip stitch without any single crochets. This will allow you to move to the next shell to begin your single crochet. Thanks for watching, and happy crocheting!